వెల్కమ్ టు ఎస్టీవీ న్యూస్. తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర అవతరణ దినోత్సవం సందర్భంగా రాచకొండ కమిషనర్ కార్యాలయంలో పోలీస్ కమిషనర్ సిపి జోషి కార్యాలయ సిబ్బందితో కలిసి జెండా వందనం చేశారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా ఆయన మాట్లాడుతూ తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రం ఏర్పడి 10 సంవత్సరాలు పూర్తయిన సందర్భంగా ప్రజలకు అభినందనలు తెలియజేశారు. తాను గత 20 సంవత్సరాలుగా పోలీస్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్లో పనిచేస్తున్నానని, రాష్ట్ర విభజనకు ముందున్న పరిస్థితులు, విభజన తర్వాత జరిగిన అభివృద్ధిని తాను కళ్లారా చూశానని తెలియజేశారు. ఉద్యమకాల చరిత్రలో తాను కూడా ఉండడం తన అదృష్టంగా అభివర్ణించారు. ఉద్యమ సమయంలో పోలీస్ శాఖ చాలా బాధ్యతగా పనిచేస్తుంది. తెలంగాణ ఏర్పాటు అయ్యాక డిపార్ట్మెంట్లో అభివృద్ధి జరిగిందని తెలియజేశారు.
आपका न्यूट्रन के लिए राष्ट्रीय सैल्यूट आज्ञा प्रदान करें।
Telangana. So, we were all a part of this history. Now when we see it, it is 10 years completed. But when we sit back today and look back 10 years back how the situation was, I can remember my own time. I was posted in Central Zone in Hyderabad city, and we have seen the entire movement happening in front of us. And we can take pride in the sense that we have been a part of this making of the history of this new state which has come 10 years back. So as far as policing is concerned, we have come a long way. What we were, I have almost completed 20 years in service, and we have seen, we have what ground we have covered way back in 2000, from 2004 to 10, and then later the second, the second part after the state formation, how the police department has evolved and developed in the last say about 10 years, 1 decade. So it's been a wonderful journey. And after the new state has formed, there are so many measures taken by the department also to empower the officers in terms of better infrastructure, in terms of better logistics, in terms of more capacity building, more recruitment in the department, more training, and much better facilities. And now when I see, I was I have worked in the training section wing also in the DGP office. So now when I see this new batch of officers getting trained, both sub-inspector ranks and the constable ranks, many of them joined for the elections also. So I feel that they are joining at a time when the department is really doing so well on all fronts. So it's a wonderful day. 10 years of completion. So on this occasion, I congratulate each one of you, and as a department as a whole, it's been a wonderful journey, and we have lot more to do in the service of the people, in the service of the society. So thank you one and all, and hearty congratulations everybody for the completion of 10 years of the formation of state of Telangana. Thank